KG Car Review brings you powerful, stylish, and future-ready car stories with premium detail, bold explanations, and the most exciting breakdowns to help you experience every vehicle like you're right behind the wheel. The 2026 Chevy Camaro SS in black immediately grabs attention with its menacing, muscular presence that looks ready to dominate the streets. The exterior design highlights a bold evolution of Camaro DNA, combining retro performance energy with futuristic sharpness. Its deep black gloss finish emphasizes every sculpted line and aggressive curve, making the coupe appear lower and wider. The aerodynamic hood, large air intakes, and sharpened side creases give the impression of relentless speed even while standing still. The wide stance adds stability and attitude, while the rear spoiler and diffuser enhance the performance-focused character. The sharp LED accents on the front elevate its modern muscle identity. The gloss black wheels fit the theme perfectly, blending with the body to create a stealth beast look. Overall, its exterior blends modern aggression with classic American muscle soul, making this Camaro SS one of the best-looking models the brand has ever delivered. The performance of the 2026 Chevy Camaro SS shows how far American muscle has evolved into true road-focused engineering. It delivers explosive acceleration, built around a tuned V8 setup that delivers massive horsepower and instant torque response. When you press the throttle, the car pushes you back with pure excitement, while the transmission shifts with precision. Its rear-wheel drive setup offers thrilling control, especially during cornering when the chassis grips tightly to the road. The suspension is sport-tuned for sharper turning ability, keeping the car planted even at high speeds. Chevy refined the steering feel, giving the driver a more connected sensation with every input, making the Camaro far more than just a straight-line machine. Braking performance is equally confident, offering strong stopping power for spirited driving. Whether you're on city streets or open highways, this Camaro SS feels alive, aggressive, and engineered to satisfy drivers who want excitement every time they hit the gas pedal. The tires on the 2026 Chevy Camaro SS play a major role in delivering its sharp performance feel. Chevy equips the SS with high-performance low-profile tires designed to provide strong grip and stability during aggressive driving. The tread pattern is engineered to maximize contact with the road, giving the car strong traction during quick acceleration and tight cornering. These tires help the car stay stable even at high speeds, allowing the driver to push the Camaro closer to its limits with confidence. The wide wheels add better balance, boosting both handling and braking response. The tire sidewalls are stiffened for better precision during sharp turns, making the entire driving experience more engaging. Whether driving on smooth highways or sporty backroads, the tires contribute to the Camaro's confident personality. Their aggressive design also complements the car's muscular appearance, adding a bold performance character even when the vehicle is standing still. The LED headlights of the 2026 Chevy Camaro SS bring a futuristic twist to its iconic muscle design. These lights offer a razor-sharp appearance, giving the front end a more intimidating look that stands out both day and night. The LED technology improves visibility, delivering a brighter and wider beam pattern that enhances safety during fast nighttime driving. They illuminate the road with clarity, making the driver feel more confident in dark conditions. The signature daytime running lights form an aggressive shape that matches the sharp edges of the front fascia, enhancing the car's modern personality. Chevy designed the lighting elements to highlight the body lines, making the Camaro look even more dramatic when the lights reflect off the black paint. These LED units are energy efficient, long-lasting, and engineered to perform well in all weather conditions. Overall, the headlights are not only a style feature but also a big performance upgrade for visibility and road confidence. The engine of the 2026 Chevy Camaro SS stands at the heart of its identity, delivering the raw power muscle car fans love. Under the hood sits a high-output V8 engine engineered to produce strong horsepower with thrilling acceleration. The throttle response is immediate, allowing the car to launch forward with impressive force. Chevy tuned the engine for a deeper, more aggressive exhaust note that gives you a sense of power every time you press the gas. The cooling system is designed to handle intense performance, keeping the engine temperature stable even during dynamic driving. Paired with a refined transmission, the power delivery feels smooth yet explosive. The V8's torque helps the car pull strongly in every gear, making highway merges and accelerations extremely satisfying. This engine represents the perfect blend of modern engineering and classic muscle character, giving the Camaro SS its unmistakable identity as a true performance machine. Inside the 2026 Chevy Camaro SS, the cabin blends performance styling with modern technology, giving the interior a sporty yet premium atmosphere. The black leather seats with contrast stitching hold you firmly during sharp turns while still being comfortable for daily driving. The digital cockpit dominates the front cabin, offering crisp graphics, customizable displays, and performance tracking tools that make the driver feel fully connected to the car. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a true racing character, while the center console is angled toward the driver for a cockpit-style experience. Ambient lighting boosts the futuristic mood of the cabin, especially at night. The materials feel more refined than previous models, with soft-touch surfaces, metallic accents, and improved ergonomics that make long drives easier. The sound insulation has also been improved, allowing the driver to hear the roar of the V8 with a more balanced, controlled tone. Overall, the interior perfectly combines comfort, technology, and race-ready personality. The 2026 Chevy Camaro SS comes with a starting price around $46,000 to $52,000, depending on options and packages. Considering its design, performance, and powerful V8 setup, it offers strong value in the American muscle segment. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to KG Car Review for more amazing automotive content.